facial rejuvenation means really addressing the needs of each individual person, because you can't make an assessment about what someone needs until you really see what concerns them and what bothers them when they look in the mirror every day. So my goal when I see a patient every day, and I know the goal of everyone that works with me, is to really talk to the patient and find out what concerns them and really go in depth to try to really address that need and make them feel their best, make them feel their most confident, and make them look their most natural. Well, it's interesting. We have a lot of patients that are doing a lot of preventative maintenance. We have teenagers that are doing a great job with skincare and prevention and sunscreen and things so that they don't have the lines and wrinkles and sun damage that leads to skin cancer in the future. And then we have young adults that are coming in their 20s for preventative. A lot of people do Botox very young to prevent the deep lines and creases that you can get later in life. And that is a pretty neat thing to do, because then you're not spending a lot more money later on to try to reverse a lot of the damage. So we've seen a trend with some of the less invasive things, with lasers, chemical peels, fillers, Botox, happening a little younger, more as a prevention rather than trying to erase the damage that's already there. Well, the industry has definitely changed. It used to be several years ago that we were just really interested in erasing a line or removing a fold. And then we realized that that's not really what you're looking for, because you could erase this fold and it might look very unnatural and not look at all like the person used to look when they were more youthful. So our goal now is to restore youth and to restore volume, so that when people lose volume in their cheeks and their temples, that causes the sagging and the jowl that they hate. So now our goal is to replace volume and give them a lift with fillers, rather than just filling a line. So the goal is to make people look as natural as possible.